Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to find files that have been modified in the last 60 days on Dropbox. Whether you're trying to locate recent work documents or updates, this method will save you time and keep your files organized. Let's dive right in. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're inside, look for the search bar right at the top of your screen and tap on it. This is where you'll start your file search. Next, you'll see several filter options to refine your search. Look for the date filter icon. It usually looks like a little calendar or clock symbol, and tap on it. This will open up different date-related options to help narrow down your search. From the list, select Date Modified, then choose the option that says Last 60 Days. This tells Dropbox to show you only the files that have been updated or edited within the past 2 months. It's a great way to focus on your most recent work. Now, back in the search bar, enter the specific name of the file you're looking for. You don't need to type the full name, just enough to trigger Dropbox's advanced search function. After typing, hit the search or enter button, and Dropbox will display all the files modified in the last 60 days matching your input. And that's it. You've successfully filtered your Dropbox files by modification date, making it much easier to find recent documents without scrolling endlessly through old files. Remember, using the date filter in Dropbox is a powerful way to manage your files efficiently, especially when you're dealing with large folders or multiple projects. This little trick can streamline your workflow and keep you productive. Give it a try the next time you need a quick search for recently updated files. Thanks for watching.